The influence of a good teacher can never be erased. Good day, everyone. Today, I invite you to reflect on a profession that shapes all others teaching. It is more than just a job, it is a vocation, a calling, and above all, the noblest profession. I want to begin by asking you a simple question. Who shaped the doctors who saved lives? Who inspired the scientists who make discoveries? Who taught the writer to find their voice? Or the leader to speak with courage? The answer is the same for all, a teacher. We often praise professions that heal, build, and lead, and rightly so. But behind every successful individual is someone who let the spark of learning in them. Someone who believed in them before the world did. That someone is a teacher. Teaching is more than just a job, it is a calling, a mission, and I dare say, the noblest profession of all. But if it is truly the noblest profession, then we must ask ourselves, are we treating it as such? Are we giving it the respect, the preparation, and the talent it deserves? Today, I stand before you to argue that teaching is the noblest profession, and because of that, it deserves the best preparation and the best candidates. Let's define nobility. A noble act is one that is selfless, purposeful, and committed to the betterment of others. Is there anything more than noble than helping a child read their first sentence, solve their first problem, or dream their first dream? Teachers shapes not only minds but also hearts. They are not just conveyors of knowledge. They are mentors, counselors, con- protectors, and role models. They guide students through challenges, inspired resilience, and open doors to possibilities a child never imagined. Unlike many professions that aim to create wealth or build success, teachers create people, they build society, one student at a time. Yet, here's the contradiction. Even though teachers are expected to do one of the most important jobs in the world, their training and supports are often insufficient. You would never allow a pilot to fly a plane without a proper preparation. You wouldn't trust a surgeon without years of education and hands-on experience. So why would we allow a teacher to enter a classroom, the future shaping space, without the best possible training? Effective teaching requires more than content knowledge. It demands an understanding of how children learn, how to address diverse needs, how to manage classrooms, integrate technology, and nurture emotional well-being. Without the right preparation, even the most passionate person will struggle. And when a teacher struggles, it is students who suffer. If teaching is the most impactful profession, we should be actively recruiting the best minds and the best hearts. Unfortunately, teaching is sometimes seen as a fallback option, a backup plan. The that must change. We need to raise the bar, not lower it. We should attract individuals who are not just smart but who also have vision, patience, empathy, and a deep desire to make difference. This means offering competitive salaries, continuous professional development, and real respect in society. It means making teaching profession sometimes the most talented students aspire to, not avoid. A great teacher doesn't just teaching a subject. They teach how to think, how to feel, how to live. Their influence doesn't end with one student. It multiplies through generation. One well-prepared teacher can change 100 lives a year. Multiply them over a career and begin to see why investing in teachers is the most powerful investment we can make. If we want to better world, more just, more peaceful, more informed, it starts in the classroom. There are some privilege of the teachers and benefits of teaching professions that you can include in a speech. Privilege of the teachers, number one, shaping the future. Teacher plays a vital role in forming the minds and characters of the future generation. They help more mold students into responsible, capable, and more passionate individuals. 2. Respect in society. Teachers are often regarded as the second parent, are highly respected in most cultures due to their contribution and moral development. 3. Lifelong learning. Teachers allow educators to continue learning and growing. Professionally, they stay updated with new ideas, methods, and innovation. 4. Influence and impact. Teachers influence hundreds or even the thousands of lives throughout their career. A single teacher can change students' life forever. 5. Priority and leadership. Teachers have classrooms authority and serve as a role models and leaders in the school and community. Benefits of teaching as a profession. First, job stability and security. Teaching is generally a stable profession, especially in the public education system, where there is a high demand for qualified educators. 2. Opportunities for growth. Teachers can advance to become master teachers, school heads, principals, or curriculum developers. 3. Professional development. Teachers often receive scholarships, training, and seminars to further enhance their teaching skills and qualifications. 4. Vocation and leave benefits. Teaching comes with schools breaks, summer holidays, and vacation time, giving teachers time to rest, recharge, or pursue their other interests. 5. Government benefits, especially in public schools. This may include health insurance, retirement plans, bonuses, and allowance like chalk allowance, clothing allowance. Fulfillment and purpose. Teachers offers emotional and spiritual rewards. Seeing students succeed brings a deep sense of satisfaction and purpose. So today, let's make a choice. Let's stop treating teaching is a second choice profession. Let's start treating it sa- as the foundation of all other professions. Let's give teachers the respect they deserve, the training they need, and the recognition they earn. Because when we invest in our teachers, we invest in our future. To teach is to touch a life forever. Let's give teaching the place it rightfully deserves at the heart of nation building. Thank you, and may we all be advocates of the noblest profession, teaching.